Now coming to the question 4. Draw a histogram for frequency table made for data in question 3 and answer the following question. अभी क्वेश्चन 3 में जो डेटा दिया था उसका जो फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल बनाया था उसके ऊपर से हमको क्या ड्रॉ करना है, हिस्टोग्राम ड्रॉ करना है और उसके बाद क्वेश्चन आंसर देना है, राइट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ड्रॉ histogram. We will draw first x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis what we will take, horizontal axis, weekly wages we will take, right. So class interval we will write here, it means weekly wages. Afterward I will send in a graph paper this question. Now I am solving in a page. So our class is 800 to 810, 810 to 820. So we have to write 800 up to 900. So first of we will write here origin, and we will write here broken line, zag line, right. First 800, 810, 820, 830, 840, 850, 860, 870, 880, 890 and 900, right. And on y-axis what we will take number of workers. Here we will take number of workers. On y-axis what we scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 worker. So scale we will write on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 worker. So I will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right. So 800 to 810, how many workers are there? 3 workers, right. 800 to 810 here. So this way we will draw histogram. 800 to 810 class interval and reading is 3. So I will write here 3. Now next class is given 810 to 820. Total workers are 2. So 810 to 820. Here 2 is given. So I will draw 810 to 820 here. So it will be 2. Draw this way bar. Now next class interval is 820 to 830. 1 worker, right. 820 to 830, 1 is here. So I will write here 830 to 820 to 831, right. Then next class is 830 to 840, total 9. 830 to 840, total 9. So 9 is here. So we will draw this way. Eight 30 to 840. Total 9 workers. Now 830 to 840 completed. Now 840 to 850. How many workers? 5 workers. 840 to 50. So 5 is here. Look here. Here 5. So 840 to 850. Here I have to take 5. 840 to 850. Here 5. Then next class is 850 to 860. one worker, right? 850 to 861. Now next class is 860 to 870. 860 to 870 is given 3 workers. So 860 to 870, here 3. So we have to draw here 860 to 830. 870, 3 workers. I will send in a graph paper also. This is rough graph. Now 870 to 880 class, how many workers? Only 1 workers, right? 870 to 880. Now 1 is here, so 878 1. Now class is given 880 to 890, also 1 again. So 880 to 890, also again 1. Now 890 to 900, 4 workers. So 4 is here. So 840 to 890 to 900. This way you have to draw histogram, right? Now answer the question. Now look in your textbook and write question from your textbook. Which group has maximum number of workers? कौन से ग्रुप में मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स है? मीन्स जिसका बार हाई होगा, जिसका पीक हाई होगा, तो इसमें सबसे पीक हाई कौन सा है? 830 टू 840 ग्रुप में, राइट? 830 टू 840 के ग्रुप में 9 हाईएस्ट है, बाकी 3 2 1 9 5 again here 4 is there, so 9 is the highest peak, so 9. So which group? 830 to 840. Now next question is how many workers on rupees 850 and more? 850 और उससे ज़्यादा कौन कितने वर्कर्स ऐसे हैं जो 850 से ज़्यादा कमा रहे, राइट? सो 850 का 850 क्लास इंटरवल हियर, राइट? सो उसके बाद 1 + 3 + 1 + 4 करोगे इतना, तो 1 + 3 4 4 + 1 5 5 + 1 6 6 + 4 10, टोटल कितने आएंगे? 10 वर्कर्स आएंगे 850 के बाद में के क्लास में. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी वर्कर्स अर्न लेस देन रुपीज़ 850. 850 से लेस, तो 850 इज हियर, सो वी हैव टू काउंट दिस. 850 से इस साइड के वर्कर्स काउंट करने हैं. 850 हियर, राइट? सो काउंट दिस 5 9 1 3 एंड 2. ये इसका टोटल करना है. 3 + 2 5 5 + 1 6 6 + 9 15 15 + 5 20. तो टोटल 20 वर्कर्स ऑन अर्निंग लेस देन रुपीज़ 850. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.